Hi, thanks for watching this video from Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a Citroen, just come in from a local owner. So again, not really a normal type of car, but it's quite well presented and a nice little car. So we decided to retail this one. So as you can see, it's finished in grey, it's 5-door. It's got good service history with it. As with all our cars, it will be sold with 12 months MOT. It's HPI clear with the report. And for the age and mileage, I think it's quite a well-presented car. It's just had a cam belt done on it. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's only done 51,163. Interior's all well presented. As with any of our videos, this really is just to show you the condition of the car. All the spec info will be on the advert. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. This is just so you don't have a wasted trip and you don't turn up for a car that's been sold or that someone else is looking at. We don't ever have two people looking at the same car at the same time. If you want to have a test drive, you just need to, as I say, make an appointment and bring your driving licence. Any questions, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.